Welcome back to Car Lust, the place where true car lovers hang out to talk about the latest rides, the hottest updates, and everything that makes our engines roar. Today, we're diving deep into Ford's 2025 lineup, and let me tell you, Ford is not holding back this year. From electric innovation to classic performance, they're balancing heritage with the future like never before. If you're into trucks, SUVs, or sports cars, there's something in this year's lineup that's going to catch your eye. So buckle up, because we're about to take a ride through what Ford has in store for 2025. Let's kick things off with the truck world, because let's be honest, when people think Ford, the F-Series usually comes to mind first. The 2025 Ford F-150 has gone through some smart updates that keep it on top of the pickup game. The design is sharper, with a bold new grille that feels more premium without losing that rugged toughness people love. Ford has clearly doubled down on tech too. The infotainment system has been upgraded to be faster, cleaner, and way more user-friendly, with Ford's Sync 5 system leading the way. And of course, the truck offers a wide range of powertrains, from the tried-and-true EcoBoost to the hybrid PowerBoost, which is proving to be one of the most practical setups for people who want both towing muscle and great fuel economy. For 2025, Ford has also improved towing assistance tech, making it easier for everyday drivers to handle big loads. If you're someone who uses your truck for work and play, you'll appreciate how Ford is making it smarter without complicating the driving experience. And then there's the all-electric F-150 Lightning. The 2025 version comes with longer range options, faster charging, and more intelligent integration with Ford's Pro Power onboard system. That means you can still run tools, appliances, or even power part of your home in an outage directly from your truck. Ford is really leaning into the idea that the Lightning isn't just a truck, but a mobile powerhouse. The styling is a bit more refined this year, with cleaner lines that hint at the future while still keeping that F-Series DNA. And for those wondering about range anxiety, the top-tier battery option now pushes close to 400 miles, making it one of the most usable electric trucks on the market. Moving over to SUVs, Ford's bread and butter for families, the 2025 Explorer and Edge brings some serious updates. The Explorer in particular has been redesigned with a sleeker body that makes it look more premium, almost like a luxury SUV but at a more approachable price point. Inside, you'll find bigger screens, a more minimal but modern interior layout, and improved safety tech across the board. Ford knows this vehicle is the backbone for families who need space, versatility, and reliability, so they've polished it up in all the right places. The Edge, on the other hand, continues to offer that sweet spot between compact maneuverability and midsize comfort. For 2025, it comes with better hybrid options, because Ford understands that buyers want fuel efficiency without sacrificing everyday usability. And the tech integration here is seamless, with wireless updates ensuring your vehicle feels up to date for years, which is a nice touch for anyone tired of outdated systems just a few years into ownership. Now, let's talk about one of the most iconic names in Ford's lineup, the Mustang. The 2025 Mustang is carrying forward the excitement from the brand new redesign we saw in 2024, but it's even more refined now. The Mustang Dark Horse Edition has become a fan favorite, and for good reason. It's the most track-ready Mustang straight from the factory, and the 2025 version adds even more precision tuning to the suspension and aerodynamics. The Coyote V8 is still alive and roaring, and that alone is worth celebrating in a world that's rapidly electrifying. Mustang fans will be thrilled to know that the spirit of raw American muscle is still alive and kicking. But Ford isn't